Hi, Sarah here from Singer's Advice. Thanks for joining me today. We are going to look at how we get a nice breathy Billie Eilish kind of sound going on. I used to float, now I just fall down. So recently I had to play around with what was I made for, and it's not a sound that I use a lot when I'm singing, so it was really interesting to do it and to hear it back and actually quite like it. If you're interested in kind of like exploring different sounds with your voice, you want to kind of do a breathy sound, how do we do that? What you need to think about first is getting some airflow over the vocal folds. This can be tricky sometimes for some singers because they have been told to always have a clean sound, keep the vocal folds together, don't be breathy because it's bad. Breathiness is not bad, it's a choice, but it's learning how to have the choice that's the important thing. Let's today break the rules and be breathy all over the place. So let's just do a little so we're going to do a little line there. Pass over the vocal folds. So we got to kind of get breath over the vocal folds. So we might need to take on board more air than we would normally. Yeah, so we're going to learn to kind of let it go. Let it go. Let it go. Instead of let it go, let it go. We want to keep the vocal folds from coming together. Do it by talking first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Try at different points of the range. Siren it. Do all kinds of things on it. Stay breathy. What makes you think of a breathy sound? You know, I like to think of that relaxation. End of the week. It's Friday. It's not Friday today. It's Monday. Blow over a bottle kind of sound. And what I discovered when I was doing I used to float, but I just fall down. Getting that airflow going. And it's really quite a chilled out sound. It can make you feel a little bit dizzy, actually. So watch out with that. But have a play around with it and see what happens. 'Cause I don't know how to feel. Can you get the folds to breathy and then come together? Like a flip. Like E-O. E-O. Play around with it. Breathiness. Marilyn Monroe. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. If you'd like to get more control over your technical side, you can sign up to my technical toolkit, and it's going to give you all the choices in the world that you can have for making sounds with your voice, being able to do different things and having the choice about what it is that you do, or being able to fix anything that you want to fix because you know why it's happening. Sign up to my technical toolkit and you will be empowering yourself to become the greatest singer that you can be. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you again soon at Singer's Advice.